what types of risks are envisaged as a result of using AI or AI applications? I'm thinking particularly around job security and also technological equity as well.
The economics of what things are done where have a significant downstream effect on people who were told that these were jobs that they could and should do. The history shows again and again and again that it's people who are less empowered to decision make that suffer the most. And whatever route that is, it's because they're on the edge. It's because, I always think of these coin pushing machines where there's some coins on the edge. And it may be the coin you drop in that moves and initiates the movement, but the coins that fall over the edge are the ones that were close to the edge. And that's the people disruption affects. And we see that across all information revolutions. And I think we can even see in previous industrial revolutions, there's some form of information revolution as